Hi guys, my name is Harsh. Today, let's talk about something we all get attracted to. Let's talk about something we all want to trade in. Let's talk about something we almost always lose in. Let's talk about derivatives. Now, derivatives can be easily explained by saying that they're shadows of a share. But the actual share price movement compared to the derivative price movement have no rational relation. When you buy a share on delivery, your one is only betting on one thing, on the price movement. He's only betting on the price that will it go up or will it go down. But while buying a derivative, you are betting on the price movement and the time frame in which that price movement will occur. Now people say that what about options? In options, your loss is only limited to the extent of premium paid. True, one's loss is only limited to the extent of premium paid. But you're again betting on the price as well as the time frame. Betting on two things rather than one makes it all the more riskier. And now people argue, what about futures? In futures, one can roll over the position from this month to the next month to several months ahead, which cuts out the time factor. But in that again, there are no limits to loss. You have to make a position for yourself, and you have to make a position under the sword because there is a high risk in it. People play on leverages. Let's suppose I want to invest 1 lakh and I play on a leverage of 80%. So 80,000 is paid by my broker and only 20,000 is my real invested money. Now, 2 to 3 ups and downs in any portfolio is very normal. 2% on rupees 1 lakh will be 2,000, which is a very minor amount. But that 2,000 on my 20,000 is 10%. The 2,000 on 1 lakh is 10% on 20,000 I have actually paid. So my portfolio will increase or decrease or keep fluctuating by 10, 30%. I don't think anybody can survive with that kind of fluctuation. Now people tell me that what if it goes the other way around? What if they make a profit, they'll make a killing? Again true, but at what risk? We must understand that futures and options are high leverage instruments which come with high risk. Players with only big risk appetite can survive in this game. When we buy shares on delivery and we suffer loss, at least we have the shares with us. At least we have the equity with us. But in delivery, you have nothing but losses. Many people come up to me and say that, oh, stock market is just a gamble, stock market is just a game of luck. To which I say that if you trade in derivatives, then to some extent it is true. It has been studied and proved that you have more chances of winning a poker game than winning in derivatives. I like to conclude myself by saying that I would like to urge you to think about this. That shares on delivery are a better and safer option. Even Warren Buffett once said that derivatives are financial instruments for mass destruction. Play safe, trade safer. Thanks.